crispy, golden, and irresistibly salty, McDonald's fries are an iconic fast food item beloved by millions. In fact, they're the most popular McDonald's item, selling about 9 million pounds of fries every day and about 3.29 billion pounds every year. But have you ever wondered exactly how those perfectly shaped fries make their way from the potato farm to your takeout bag? Let's go behind the scenes to uncover the fascinating process used to create one of the world's most famous French fries. This is no small-scale operation. To satisfy global demand, the production of McDonald's fries spans multiple factories, custom potato varieties, secret flavorings, and a logistics network that keeps the fries piping hot until the moment you take that first crunchy bite. So let's dig in. The journey begins in the fertile soil of potato farms across the United States. But McDonald's doesn't use just any potato. Their fries begin with a specialty spud engineered specifically to meet the chain's rigorous standards. These potatoes have been carefully bred to yield light, fluffy insides that fry up crispy on the outside. The ideal fry texture. The potato varieties of choice are the Russet Burbank, prized for its baking properties, and the Shepherdie, which lends itself well to frying. Grown under strict protocols in the Pacific Northwest, these potatoes produce over 3.4 billion pounds of fries for McDonald's every year. That's enough to circle the globe. The rich soil and cool climate of Idaho, Washington, and Oregon produce sturdy plants with high starch content. Farmers nurture their potato crops for 130 days before harvesting the mature tubers. Specialized equipment gently lifts the precious potatoes while separating them from vines and leaves. Once ready for production, potato trucks haul 50,000 pounds of spuds at a time to McCain McDonald's longtime potato supplier. Here, the journey from a humble brown tuber to golden fry glory truly begins. Inside the factory, a high-powered cutting machine turns firm potatoes into McDonald's signature skinny fries with precision slicing at speeds up to 70 miles per hour. This cutting machine is an engineering marvel. The hydraulic-powered device is so thunderously loud and forceful that operators describe it as a deafening roar, punctuated by potatoes exploding into perfect fries before being whisked down the line. Continuing down the gleaming steel production line, the freshly cut potatoes next undergo precision washing in a solution containing dextrose and sodium acid pyrophosphate. The dextrose sugar lends a uniform, golden color while preventing ugly graying that can make potatoes look unappetizing. The pyrophosphate reduces acrylamides, harmful carcinogenic compounds formed during frying. Both ingredients ensure safer, better-looking fries coming out of the fryer. Now it's time to fry, partially. McDonald's flash fries the potatoes to cook them halfway and slow bacteria growth during storage and transport. Conveyor belts usher the par-fried fries into fine-tuned infrared cooking tunnels set to exact temperatures between 290 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, the part-fried potatoes spend precisely 2.5 minutes getting their first hit of heat and that oh-so-tempting fried aroma. Exit the first fryer and into another production line. Frozen storage in perfectly calibrated at minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Frigid blasts of air transform the piping hot fries into frozen bricks locked with flavor and color inside a protective icy shell. Plunging hot potatoes into intense freezing stabilizes moisture levels and prevents decay during delivery from factory to restaurant. To put some mind-boggling numbers behind this whole operation, McCain produces over 3 million pounds of frozen fries a day across multiple factories. That's 300 trucks daily hauling 10,000-pound loads of frozen McDonald's fries out daily. All told, McCain cranks out a staggering 2 billion pounds a year of frozen spuds for McDonald's. Of course, great fries need great oils. For decades, McDonald's relied on beef tallow for deep frying their iconic fries. However, health concerns over saturated fats led them to switch to a proprietary blend of canola, corn, and soybean oils in 2008. Settling on the perfect vegetable oil blend took 7 years and multiple rounds of testing across 18 oil varieties. The result is 0 trans fat per serving and low saturated fat, a healthier frying medium. Transporting billions of pounds of frozen fries is no small order. Fortunately, McDonald's can leverage the operations network of partner Simplot. With potato processing plants positioned across the country, Simplot streamlines storage, transport, and delivery to over 25,000 McDonald's restaurants globally. Once the frozen fries complete their long journey to the local Mickey D's, they stay frozen until frying time. When the lunch rush hits, kitchen staff deep fry batch after batch of fries by the bucket load in special McDonald's fryers. preset to perfection between 330 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using those custom oils, the fries go from frozen to hot and crispy in just 3 minutes. To recreate the signature flavor of fries made in beef tallow, McDonald's adds natural beef flavor made from wheat and milk during frying. This replicates the rich, meaty taste vegetarians know and love while avoiding animal fat. Other sneaky ingredients include dimethylpolysiloxane, a silicone-based compound that prevents boiling over by controlling foam and reducing splatter. And the secret weapon that puts the hook in McDonald's fries? An expertly calibrated amount of salt is added right after frying. So next time you crinkle open a fry carton and dip those salty sticks, you'll know exactly how this enormous yet hidden operation made it possible. Now that you know what goes into McDonald's world-famous fry, does it make you appreciate the humble spud even more? Let us know. And don't forget to like and share this video if you want to see more secret origins behind your favorite famous foods. Until next time, enjoy those golden fries.